Hey everybody! Valentine's Day is just around the corner and I love it so much I even have a Valentine's Day tree. Today on Make Your Mark, we are partnering with Cricut to make a Valentine's Day table setting, complete with placemats, vases, wine glasses, and napkins. You can do anything with Cricut. You're only limited by your imagination. And honestly, I think Cricut makes every holiday a little bit better. Are you ready? Let's make my Valentine's Day table setting with Cricut. The idea of romantic love began to take shape during the medieval period. People at the time thought of our hearts as books of memory, a place where God's commands were written, and they believed that feelings for the beloved were somehow written on your heart. Why red and pink for Valentine's Day? Red stands for deep, undying romantic love, while pink can symbolize love for friends, children, family, and pets. Each year, Americans buy over 58 million pounds of chocolate for Valentine's Day. I'm going to leave a link for everything I used in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Follow me on Patreon for content you won't find anywhere else, not here on YouTube, on Facebook, or on Instagram, only on Patreon. Grab any one of my books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts, and I will see you real soon. Bye.